Okay, I think we're getting there at last. Just got the sawmill installed in the wood. Got the track levelled on some sleepers, railway sleepers. Just fitted the engine a while ago. Lube tank here for the blade. Just put the blade on. No blade guides at the moment. I was going to run it and tension it. I've seen that mentioned somewhere that that's one way of doing your tension, is to run it and wait for the blade to stop fluttering with if you haven't got any guides on. So we'll see how that goes in a minute. All seems to run nicely on the track with the slightest of push. So let's fire it up and see what happens. Get a log on there, of course. Got a 8'6" Douglas fir, I think that's what it is, onto the ramp now, ready for cutting. I've got a few mods to do. I'm not too happy with these fancy wedging levers I made up. They may be better when they're cut a bit shorter. I had to excavate the track a bit to get them to work, but I'll shorten those when I get back home and see how we go with them. Otherwise we're ready to start. How it goes. Very first cut. Wow, it works.